expression. So today we are going to learn what are expression. What do you mean by algebraic expression? What are constant? What are variables? What are terms, factors and coefficients? So let us learn one by one. What is an expression? An expression is a way of conveying information, feelings or ideas. Just like when we are sending messages, we are sending some symbols which indicate our feelings, ideas or information. Just like in mathematics also, we are using some symbols which indicate some quantity, and those fixed quantities are called constant. So what do you mean by constant? Here we are using some symbols to express one fixed quantity or quantitative value. These symbols are assigned for a fixed quantity or numerical value, and those are called constant. That means constants are fixed quantitative value or numbers. What do you mean by variables? When we are using some different those symbols assigned for unknown quantities are called variables. For example, here A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Generally we are using those small letters of English alphabet to express the unknown quantity, and those are called variables. What is an algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a combination of numbers, variables and operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. 3x plus 5. Here 3 and 5 are constant, x is the variable and plus, this means this is one operator. Another example, 6a plus 2b. This is also one algebraic expression. Here 6a, a is the a and b are the variable, 6 and 2 are the constant and operator is addition. What are terms of an expression? Terms means each part added to form an expression is called a term. Here 2xy, this is one single term. That means here 2xy is not added to any other expression. So 2xy, this is one single term expression. 2x plus 3y, here 2x is added to 3y, that means it is a two term expression. Now 2a minus 3b minus 4c, here 2a minus 3b minus 4c, these are three terms. Here 2a is added to negative 3b is added to negative 4c. So what are those terms? Here 2a is one term, negative 3b is another term and negative 4c is another term. So this is one three terms expression. Factors of a term. Each term is made up of factors. Factors means what we are multiplying and getting. Here 5ab plus 2a square b square, this is one two term expression. Here 5ab is one term and 2a square b square is another term. Here we have splitted as factors. 5ab is 5 is multiplied with a is multiplied with b. That means the factors of this term are 5ab. Here 2a square b square. What do you mean by 2a square b square? What are those factors? 2 is one factor. A square means a multiplied 2 times. B square means b multiplied 2 times. So these are the factors of these terms. Coefficient. What do you mean by coefficient? Here negative 5xy is a single term expression. Here the factors are negative 5, x and y. Now when we are taking the coefficient of negative 5, here x and y are the coefficient. If we are taking the x, the coefficient of x is negative 5y. That means those other factors present in the term are the coefficient. Here the coefficient of y is negative 5x. But if someone is asking what is the coefficient of this term, that means we have to take only the numerical factor. So, what is the coefficient of this term? Negative 5 is the coefficient of this term. If negative x is there, then what is the coefficient of this negative x? Here it is. What are those factors? Negative 1 is multiplied with x. Here, negative 1 is the coefficient. Negative 1 is the coefficient of this term, negative x. Like and unlike terms. Like terms have the same variables raised to the same power. Let's discuss what are those like terms. 2abc, negative 5abc, half abc, negative abc. The numerical coefficient, whatever it may be, but the literal part, the literal factors must be exactly same. Here all are ABC, all those literal parts or the variable parts are same. That means those are like terms. Negative x square y and negative 5 yx square. If we are interchanging the place of those factors, here x square y and here yx square, but both the factors are same. Here also y, here also x square. That means those are also like terms. Here also a square, here also a square and a square. Here b and b. Here c and c. Here all those numerical factors are different, but the literal factors all are same. That means here all these three are like terms. Now, what are unlike terms? Unlike terms have the different literal parts. For example, 2xy. This is the coefficient. The coefficient are same. That doesn't matter. But the literal part are different. Here xy, x both are xy, but the powers are different. Here x square, here x square. All those are different. That means those are unlike terms. Hope everyone understood all those concepts of this algebraic expression. Thank you.